mention that the DC area is forecasted to get some snowfall from this next event set to move in later this weekend. And right now we're looking at the Fairfax County dashboard. They have some sensors actually scattered around parking lots across the county, which is giving us more information. So right now, luckily with this system, it looks like it's going to be in and out fairly quickly. Snow begins Sunday morning and then is out of the way by early evening on Sunday, with the heaviest precipitation looking to be in the afternoon hours. So the max impact right now on WX Horizon for this area is around 3:30 p.m. If I go into it and we click on the snow event, you can see that the max snow depth is expected to be about 1.5 inches on the pavement. And most of the locations, if not all the locations in this area, will be impacted by some snowfall. Now, a couple things to point out here are going to be the difference in pavement temperatures to determine how much snow will actually collect on that pavement surface. So if we look at, let's look at Mount Vernon here, and we go in and we can see all the different conditions and the expected pavement temperatures. So pavement temperatures here are going to start off in the mid-30s, and they are going to drop pretty quickly once precipitation starts, down to around freezing and then below freezing after that. So for Mount Vernon, we can see about 1.5 inches of snow expected on the road surface. But if we go up over here to the west, the Sully District sensor, it looks like the pavement temperatures are going to take some time to actually cool. So starting off in the upper 30s here, going to hang into the mid-30s, and this is probably due to just lesser precip rates potentially, and then eventually pavement temperatures drop below freezing, allowing for that accumulation. But in this area, we only have about 1 inch of snow accumulation on the roadway. So snow to fall in the DC area, probably about 2 to 3 inches for the most part. On the roadway, maybe 1 inch or 2, depending on how fast those pavement temperatures cool down before the precipitation gets out of the way by Sunday evening.